Hello everyone, myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moya Education Society's Moya Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai. In this lecture, we discuss about the general anesthetic agent. Learning outcome of lecture. After the completion of this lecture, the learner will able to understand definition, classification of general anesthetic agent, drug profile of general anesthetic agent, content of lecture, definition, classification of general anesthetic agent, and drug profile of some important general anesthetic agent. So first point is definition of general anesthetic agent. So general anesthetic are the central nervous system depression drug which are bring about the loss of all modalities of sensation along with the reversible loss of consciousness. Example halothane diethyl ether. Classification of general anesthetic agent. So first class of general anesthetic agent is inhalation anesthetic agent. Inhalation anesthetic agent which are include the liquid of volatile nature and gaseous substance used by inhalation to produce anesthesia. These are may be classified into the following subtype. First is volatile liquid. In this first subclass is halogenated hydrocarbon. Example chloroform, halothane, trichloroethylene, ethyl chloride. Next subclass of volatile liquid is ether. Example diethyl ether, vinyl ether. Next subclass is gaseous agent. Example cyclopropane, nitrous oxide gas. Main subclass of general anesthetic agent is intravenous anesthetic agent. In this first subclass is barbiturate derivatives. In this ultra short acting barbiturate. Example methohexetone sodium and thiopentone sodium. Second subclass is non-barbiturate derivatives. In this first subclass is eugenol derivatives. Example is propanediol. Next subclass is phencyclidine derivative. Example ketamine. Next subclass is steroids. Example is alethicin. Last main class is miscellaneous agent. Example etomidate, propofol. Then we discuss the drug profile of some important general anesthetic agent. In this first one is a diethyl ether. The structure of diethyl ether. IUPAC name is ethoxyethane. Physical properties, surface nature and color. It is a colorless, very volatile liquid. Taste and odor. It is a sweet in taste and characteristic in odor. Solubility. It is soluble in water and miscible with alcohol and organic solvent. Stability and storage condition. It is oxidized by oxygen and affected by light. Hence it is stored in airtight light resistant container at temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. Labeling. The label on container should be stated, very inflammable liquid, do not use near the naked flame. Name and proportion of any added stabilizer. Name and proportion of any stabilizer added should be mentioned on the label. Uses. It is used as a general anesthetic agent. It is used as a solvent in the laboratory. Then it is used as a vehicle for preparation of pharmaceutical formulation. Official preparation diethyl ether solution. Brand name D-ether. Next general anesthetic agent is halothane. This is the structure of halothane. Ethane is the basic nucleus of this halothane structure. IUPAC name is 2-bromo-2-chloro-1,1,1-trifluoroethane. Physical properties, surface nature and color. It is a colorless, very volatile liquid. Taste and odor. It is a sweet in taste and characteristic in odor. Solubility. It is slightly soluble in water and miscible with alcohol and organic solvent. Stability and storage condition. So it is decomposed slowly in exposure to light, air and moisture. Hence it should be stored in airtight light resistant container at temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. Uses. So it is used as a most potent anesthetic agent administered by inhalation route. It is used as a general anesthetic agent in surgical operation. It is used as a general anesthetic agent in Obstetrics practices. Official preparation, halothane solution. Brand name, Fluthane, Flupan. Next general anesthetic agent is a cyclopropane. This is the structure of cyclopropane. IUPAC name is a cyclopropane. Physical properties, surface nature and color. It is a colorless inflammable gas. Taste and odor. It is a pungent in taste and characteristic in odor. Solubility. It is a freely soluble in alcohol. Storage and stability condition. So it is stored in metal cylinder designed to hold compressed gases and kept in cool room free from inflammable material. The whole cylinder is painted orange and the shoulder should be stenciled with the name or symbol of CS3H6 and the name or symbol should be clearly stamped on the cylinder wall. Uses. So it is used as a potent gaseous anesthetic agent. It is used as an analgesic agent. Official preparation, cyclopropane gas. Next general anesthetic agent is sodium thiopental. This is the structure of sodium thiopental. IUPAC name is a 5-ethyl 4,6-dioxo 5 in the bracket pentane 2-IL bracket complete 1,4,5,6 tetrahydropyrimidine 2-IL sulfonide sodium. Physical properties, surface nature and color. It is a yellowish white crystalline powder. Odor, characteristic in odor. Solubility, it is soluble in water and slightly soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition, it is a hygroscopic powder, so decomposed by air, hence it is stored in airtight light resistant container. Uses, so it is used as a general anesthetic agent, then it is used in treatment of anxiety, it is used in treatment of epilepsy or seizure, it is used for prevention and treatment of cerebral ischemia, it is used as a muscle relaxant agent. Official preparation, thiopentone sodium injection. Brand name, Intravol sodium Anista. Next general anesthetic agent is trichloroethylene. The structure of trichloroethylene. IUPAC name is 1,1,2 trichloroethene. Physical properties, surface nature and color. It is a clear colorless liquid. Odor, strong pungent in odor. Solubility, it is slightly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition, it is stored in airtight light resistant container. Uses, it is used as a general anesthetic agent. It is used as a general anesthetic agent in obstetrics practices. It is used as a solvent for extraction of oil and fat. Official preparation, trichloroethylene. Brand name, Trilene. So in this lecture we discuss about the definition, classification of general anesthetic agent and drug profile of some general anesthetic agent. Thank you.